Hello everyone, ready to ditch the physical SIM tray? This year, T-Mobile has made eSIM activation the standard for both new and existing customers. And today, I am showing you how to get your digital SIM activated instantly, whether you're switching phones or just starting a new prepaid plan. Right, and if you're starting a new prepaid line, the fastest way is to just use the T-Mobile prepaid eSIM app. Right, so for example, you can get it for your Android phone if you wish, and just download it from the App Store or Google Play. Enter your email, select a plan, and pay right in the app. Then, if the app handles the technical handshake automatically, no QR codes required. And once the payment clears, you'll get a notification that your cellular plan is ready to be installed. Just tap it and you are live. And already have a T-Mobile account and a physical SIM, you can actually convert it to a eSIM right in your phone's settings. So on iPhone, you go to Settings, Cellular, convert to eSIM. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, SIM Manager, and look for the Convert to eSIM option. This year, this process takes about 3 minutes. Once the digital profile downloads, your physical SIM will deactivate, and you can safely remove it from your phone. Now, the next one, if you're moving to a new device. So T-Mobile uses eSIM Quick Transfer for iPhone to iPhone and the Google SIM Transfer tool for Android. Just place the two phones next to each other. On the new device, go to your SIM settings and select Transfer from Nearby Device. You'll get a pairing code on your old phone. Just enter it, and your number will hop over through the air. Then also a note, make sure you've disabled SIM protection in the T-Mobile app first, or the transfer will be blocked for security. And this is how you get your T-Mobile service running in the cloud this year. If this digital setup helped you get connected today, don't forget to like and subscribe.